Come today in front of me NOKIA T20 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sound section. Now just here you'll see default notification sound, tap there. Now we got here the Nokia message one. You can change this sound to the another one, to the default ones, one from these sounds, or also you can here add the notification sound if you got some another sounds or music on your device downloaded from the internet, for example. But I'll go just with this one, for example, with the default one. Now just tap here to OK, and as can you see, our notification sound has changed successfully to the another one. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.